This is what the quad bike sounds like when it's turned on. I just put a new spark plug on it and it's still running a bit rough. It doesn't really want to, I don't know, stick or stay at the RPM. In idle it's not too bad. It does have its issues though. It seems like it's bogging down a bit. I've just dumped out the oil on this and Lord, like it's still bloody hot, but I don't know why, but that seems very watery. I know it was running for quite a while, so I can understand the viscosity, but that's pretty wild. And it was black, so hopefully it's staying on for so long, and me putting Carby clean down the spark plug hole kind of cleaned it up a little bit, hopefully.